What if your favorite drink could unlock a secret that changes everything? Welcome back to Nancy on the Rocks, where spirits, wine, cocktails, and confidence meet in every glass. Today, I'm sharing a story that started on just an ordinary evening at my bar. I was experimenting with a new cocktail, something smooth and creamy with Baileys, vodka, and a swirl of chocolate syrup. I decided to call it the Tipsy Strawberry Delight. It was sweet, comforting, and rich, the kind of drink that just brings people together. As I was mixing, an old man walked in. He came straight to the bar and ordered the exact same ingredients without a moment's hesitation. It really caught my attention. I mean, no one had ever requested that specific mix before. I poured the drink, my curiosity piqued, and as I slid it across the bar, I asked, "How did you know about this recipe?" He smiled, a kind, knowing smile, and said, "Because you've made it before." I froze. That was impossible. I had never served this to anyone else. The man took a slow sip and added, "You created this for someone 10 years ago, remember?" I searched my memory, trying to grasp what he was talking about. And then, it hit me. A flash from my first bar job, a small place right by the shore. I remembered a night when a young couple came in, absolutely glowing, celebrating their engagement. I had improvised a special drink for them, chocolate, cream, and strawberries. They had to leave in a hurry, but they left behind a little note that said, "One day this drink will bring you luck." And now, sitting right in front of me, was the same man, older and alone. He raised his glass and said softly, "She would have loved to see how far you've come." It was him. The man from that night. He told me his fiancée had passed away, and he had spent years searching for that same taste, for the memory of the special drink they shared together. As the bar lights dimmed, I poured him one last glass and joined him for a toast. It wasn't just a drink anymore, it was a bridge between the past and the present, between loss and love. The Tipsy Strawberry Delight was more than just a cocktail, it was a story in a glass, a reminder that every pour holds a piece of someone's heart. So, what do you think? Can a drink truly hold a memory? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love stories with a twist of flavor and feeling, please like this video and subscribe for more pours of inspiration right here on Nancy on the Rocks. Cheers to the stories we share.